I cannot tell you how much I love JiYu's toner pads. These are rejuvenating pads that are actually meant to help with wrinkles, brightness, dark spots, so much more. I have already gone through 100 pack of these, and I was just gifted a new pack from JiYu, which I am so grateful to the company because these are so spoiling. Now I know you're supposed to pull them out of the container with these little tweezers here just to keep everything more sanitary, but I never succeed with these. Even when I try each time, I usually get multiple. Of course, right then I only got one, but often I will pick up a few at a time, so I'm still peeling them apart. But you may love the tweezers, and they do come right in the top lid. They have a little hole in the top part of the tweezer that clips in, and if you don't clip that part in, they will fall out back into the package. So if you're running into that, that's what is causing that. And it's a lot of toner pads. 100 obviously would take you 50 days if you're using it twice a day, but to me that is way too intense. These are a once a day toner pad for me. So you're looking at 100 days here, and these are just the nicest toner pads. Not only are they toning, but they're hydrating, brightening, doing so much. They have a very light smell. I do not believe there are any added fragrances. I think it's just the ingredients, and it's almost eucalyptus-like. I'm not getting exactly what the smell is, but it's a really nice, refreshing smell. And when I wipe this on my hand, on my face, what I love is that it mostly just feels hydrating. It doesn't feel like I'm drying anything out. It's a really nice way to just get that extra deep cleanse, work a little bit of powerful ingredients that are in the toner pads into your skin, and also prepare your skin for your serums, your moisturizer, whatever you're gonna layer on top of it, as this will help your skin absorb everything just a little bit more. But don't forget that these toner pads are exceptionally potent all on their own. They have what they have patented as the K8 Rejuvenate 8-ingredient complex that is meant for anti-aging. It starts with niacinamide and alpha-arbutin, which is meant to help even skin tone and go after dark spots. And then it has snail mucin extract and masacosid, I may be mispronouncing that, which are both ingredients to deeply hydrate. And that is really, I think, what I'm feeling when I rub this on my skin. It just feels so soothing. The next two ingredients are licorice extract and 3-ethyl absorbic acid to brighten and boost collagen. And finally, it has Centellia asiatica and a peptide complex to help with fine lines and firmer skin. Now, JiYu claims that you will experience an hydration boost in your first use, which I definitely agree with, a clearer complexion within 1 to 2 weeks of use, and radiant skin within 3 to 4 weeks of use. And I can definitely attest to that. This does beautiful things for my skin. My only issue with it is that it is naturally exfoliating with the little sheet itself, and it has so many powerful ingredients that I found that I cannot or couldn't use this every single day to start, as even though it hydrate to start, after a couple of days of using it, my skin just felt a little overworked, like just too much was going on too fast. So how I worked into this is I used it every other day or every couple days, and then started using it 2 days, 1 day off, then 3 days, 1 day off, and so on until my skin finally got used to it. So just keep that in mind. If you feel like this is too strong to start, like a lot of really powerful skincare out there, it's probably because you went from nothing to using it every single day, which was just a little bit too much for your skin. But if your skin doesn't have an issue with that, go for it. That's not really a problem. Just something to pay attention to your skin. But if you're looking for a really fantastic toner pad, this is actually the only toner pad I recommend because I have really loved it. And I don't normally use toner pads because so many are drying or just an extra step that I don't find is useful in my skincare routine. But these really do hold a place. They're really, really nice. I like using them in the morning as I'm not doing as many actives in the morning as I do at night, so it's just a better fit for me. I hope this video helps you understand if JiYu is right for you.